How do you design a logo presentation? It's confusing how designers create their presentation. Because, come on, it's 2020. We can design our presentation experimentally, right? But, what exactly do we need in creating this kind of presentation, like a total hit to the brain of the client? Well, in general, clients are always looking for these. The story behind the logo. Of course, you need to tell the client how did you come up with this idea. If you don't have one, you can just add some text like the client brief before you design the logo. Just don't use lorem ipsum, please. Next is the color you chose. You can just add the hex code or add some description if you want. Next is the logo and other colors. This is where you can showcase your logo on how it works toward light and dark colors. Next is how it would work with a brand. You can place some mockups to make samples. Now let's get started. As you can see, I already created my logo. Get ready and prepare your assets before we get started. Now let's create a new file. Set the width to 1920 pixels, and height by 3000 pixels, and click Create. Let's drag our assets to the new document. Select Rectangle tool and create a square. Set it by 960 to 960 pixels, click OK. Set the color with eyedropper tool. Now align it to top left. Select Align tool and choose Align to Artboard. Now drag your single color logo and bring to front. Now with Rectangle tool create a new background. Set it by 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click Eyedropper tool and select your second color. Align it to the center of your document. Hold Alt and select the first rectangle and drag it to bottom left. Use the Align tool to place it correctly. Now let's place our text. This is where you can place the story of your logo, or your client brief. Let's prepare the colors of our project. Now let's drag the colored logo to the bottom left. And also drag another logo to the center document. Arrange it with a much smaller scale because this is where we are going to place our mockups. Now with Rectangle tool, create a set of colors below. Hold Alt and drag and Ctrl D to duplicate. With the Eyedropper tool select the other rectangle and apply the remaining colors. Now let's arrange it. Now copy the hex code and paste it. Select the Type tool and paste the color hex code. Resize it. And place some fonts to complete it. Hold Alt to duplicate, and copy the hex code of other colors. Select the gray color and copy the hex code. And paste it with the corresponding color. Do it also with black. Select the black color and copy the hex code. And paste it with the corresponding color. Select and arrange it. Now export the file to JPEG or PNG. click OK. Now let's go to Photoshop. Go to File and open the picture file that we created. Now as you can see, I already prepared the mockups that I will going to place. You can download some mockups online and import it. Now I will select the mockup and drag it to the document. Arrange it so it can place correctly. I will also select this second mockup, and place it on the left corner. Now you can arrange your mockup assets and group it, so you can access it at any time and resize it easily. I will drag some logo assets to complete the design. Now let's create a new rectangle, and place it below. This is the place where we are going to apply our moodboards. Now place and arrange it. Now I will going to use this image that I downloaded online as a sample. Now place it and apply clipping mask to the layer of rectangle. Arrange it so it can fit correctly. Next, save the file as PDF. Select high quality print. Now edit the size for 72 ppi if it's for digital, and 300 ppi if it's for print. Uncheck the preserve editing, and click Save PDF. Now here's the sample of what we are going to showcase with the clients. It has a set of logos, mockups, and colors. Be creative and explore more options. There are many other ways to showcase and present your logo. Always place some mockups, so you can showcase on how it would work with a brand. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.